A powerful IED exploded at the compound fencing wall of More KSO office located at Ngamkhai Veng last evening at around 7:30. As per reports, the bomb destroyed parts of the fencing wall. However, no casualties were reported. Condemning the incident, an indefinite band has been called in More border town. Acting on a tip-off, a team of Imphal security forces arrested 2 persons engaged in drug smuggling and vehicle lifting from Acharmingai Mayailekai, Imphal East last afternoon. According to police, the contraband items along with stolen 2-wheelers vehicle were also recovered from their possession. A combined team of Imphal East Commando and troops of 15 Assam Rifles arrested 2 active members of the outfit Pre-Park Pro group yesterday. According to police, the apprehended cadres were identified as 21-year-old Wahingbam Palhada Singh, aged 21 years, of Brahmapur Bamon Laikai Guru Lairak, and Yumlembam Jason Singh, aged 21 years, of Wangkhai Puja Lampak Yumlembam Lairak. They were later handed over to Porampat police station for further legal procedures. 3 soldiers of the Rapid Action Battalion RAB Bangladesh and 2 women were caught by the villagers of Rahimpur in Tripura's Sipahi Jala district for trespassing into the Indian territory. According to reports, BSF on Friday informed about the incident and said they have taken the 5 Bangladeshi nationals into their custody. The Northeast Frontier Railway NFR has launched digital museums in 22 railway stations of the region. The screens, which are installed on platforms, waiting rooms and other important areas. As per reports, emergency messages and information related to disaster management will also be highlighted through digital museums. During the current year, 8 digital museums were installed in various stations like Jorhat Town, Lamding, Dimapur and Silchar.